place where I give young adults and college students tips and tricks on how to build their brand, find their passion, and get that bread. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about something really different. So as you guys know, there's the coronavirus pandemic. So I'm going to be giving you guys like 3 tips on how to get through self-isolation, social distancing, and some of the stuff I do while I'm passing time in quarantine, so stay tuned. So the first thing that I've been doing during this quarantine, and I've been quarantining for 7 days. So I'm still in Michigan, still in Flint where I have school. I'm still at home, but we have online school, so I have to be at home doing online school. And yeah, it kind of gets like repetitive and just like annoying sometimes to just be in the same place like over and over and over again. So things that I've been doing, the first thing that I've been doing to kind of relax and be, chill and zen is talking to my family back home, because it helps me and it helps them, because my mom, my sister, my family, they're naturally worried about me. So when I consistently talk to them, I'm at peace and they're at peace, and everybody's just at peace. So I've been talking to my family at home, and I've been using the time to catch up with friends that I have not gotten the chance to catch up with in a while. So yeah, I'm using this time to kind of slow down, because we all wished at some point in our lives for the world to slow down, right? So here it is. I'm using the time to talk to like some of my cousins that I haven't spoken to in a while, some like friends from high school, everybody and anybody. So that's one thing you can do to pass the time. Another thing that I've been doing is really getting centered and like journaling and getting back to like God and spirituality, and that has been really comforting during this time, because we always say, oh, we don't have time to go to church or read our Bible during our busy lives and stuff. But now when you're forced to stay at home and you're forced to be in one place and kind of be quiet, now you have the time. So that's what I've been doing. I've been writing in my journal about like how I've been feeling. And I know a couple of days ago I was like really, really anxious, and I think I wrote about it in like my phone notes, and I felt better afterwards, after like I got the feeling out of me. And then I was reading the Bible app on my phone. So I've just been taking this time to kind of like do prayer and meditation and just rekindle that relationship and get back to center. So that's something that you can do, get back to your spirituality and use that to make you feel grounded and give you comfort. Okay, the final tip, something that I've been doing is cooking and eating a lot of food. So I've been blessed with a package from A Taste of JA. They saw a girl struggling. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of like do an unboxing. So A Taste of JA, they are a Jamaican food brand that sends packages like all across the world to different people who order it. So you can go on their website, click like the package that you want, and they're all Jamaican. They have like Jamaican foods, so they have like butter and cheese. And let me just go ahead and open it up. So I've been kind of like chomping on some of the food too. So I think I got a essentially Easter. They sent me a package last year, and like I was just like, I can't wait to I'm looking forward to my butter and cheese, hoping that they would have sent me like a package this year, and they did, and they sent me some more stuff. So this has really been keeping me sane. Not hungry, and kind of like curb my homesickness, especially in this time, kind of having like some snacks from home. So what I got for the snack time bundle was I got this cheese strips. I got I think I got 4 of these. I got some buns. I got water peppers. I'm gonna use this to make some steamed fish. Some water peppers. This is so cool. Chiquitas banana chips. Some more spice buns. So that's like 3. I think there's one more in here. Hey, two ginger biscuits. Hey, two duplexes. Yo, these are like what my faves. Next to butter case, this was my fave. So this and an Easter bun. Can you believe it? Like I am so happy. So yeah, I got an Easter bun, and to go with that, cheese. You can't have bun without cheese. Like it's not right. So yeah, I got the bun and cheese, and I think this was a part of the essential Easter package. So I got that, and then I got the snack time, which was why I got like the different snacks. But yeah, they ship to the USA, and I'll have all their stuff linked below. And yeah, it's been really, I'm so grateful for this package. It's been really keeping me sane. I'm almost out though. I'm trying to make it last as long as possible. But yeah, so cook some good food, and now there's not like so much rush, and like you have to cook a quick meal to go do something. You really have nothing to do. So sit your stuff down, sit your ass down, and make a good meal and sit and enjoy it. So I'm so happy to open up my bun and cheese. To open up my bun and eat it with my cheese, and like eat the crackers with some steamed fish and all these things, because we can cook, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so let me know how you guys are dealing with quarantining in this time. I was feeling so anxious over the past couple of days, but I'm good now. Like I came back to center now, as I just said. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and let me know how you guys are staying safe and passing time in this quarantine. Bye.